There's a keyway right here. Cool.
You want some water too? I didn't know there was 2 people.
Yeah.
Okay.
You've heard
I brought
that.
out 1 glass, but you want some water? Sure. Thank you. Yeah, of course. Oh, hell yeah. Let's fucking go. I'm gonna call AAA now. Fuck yeah.
I can jump it if you want.
Can you?
Yeah.
Here. That sounds great.
Yeah. All right, go ahead and start it. You want to see what's cool about this jump box?
I appreciate that so much.
See, what's cool about this jump box is that it's actually charging right now.
Oh, that's good shit. Wow.
So I
That's
jumped
good.
you,
Thank
and then
you.
I don't have to plug it in ever.
What the
Because
hell?
right now it's charging up.
That's so dope. I don't know. I've never seen anything like it. This is great, y'all.
Cool.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Made our freaking Christmas.
Yeah,
It's been a while since we heard it turn on.
yeah. You want to do cash or card?